Good morning, sir. I'm Angelica Miguel, and this is my game, the Emotap, a timely choice. So, ang genre nito is the casual puzzle game. Then, sa mechanics nito is, number 1, to initiate the game, the player must press the play button. And second, the game involves two types of emotion, a sad face and a happy face. Then, third, the goal of the game is to tap the fewest occurrences of a specific emotion, either sad or happy face, within the given time limit. Then, fourth, the number of emotions, sad and happy faces, increases with each box or level, making the game progressively challenging. And fifth, the player has a limited time of 30 seconds to complete the game and achieve a win. Then, six, tapping the wrong emotion deducts 2 seconds from the remaining time of the timer. Then, seven is the player wins the game by tapping the least number of occurrences of the specified emotion, either sad or happy face. So, add mo lang kasi isang emoji may function pag napindot yung mali tapos ang laro. So, pag napindot yung tama, proceed sa second level and take note na may timer. Yun yung consequences ng laro. Sa script ng main ko is randomize position niya, nag-iiba kada mga minute ang laro. So,